Please press the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon and never miss an update from Passionate Geeks. Hey, what's happening guys, PG's here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a background in your status bar. So on the left you see it is the phone with the background on the status bar, and on the right you will see the background the phone without the status bar background. So on the left, as you see, whenever I open an app the background comes up, and on the right it don't have a background, so it will open normally. So as you see, you can see the difference between both of them. So if you want to add the background, just follow the video. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please press the subscribe button, do likes to share. Let's start the work. Okay, we need to do some decompiling work. So what you're gonna need is you need to extract the framework resource and the system you have from your ROM, and you need to decompile it. So I'm going to show you how you can decompile it. If you already know, then you can move 10 seconds. It will take some time, as you all know, but if you are a new user then you need to follow the instructions. Okay, as I done the work. So what you're going to do is you have to open your framework resolution and find for the dimensions. You will find a dimension on the string, on the values. Okay, here you have to find these three lines. Dimension first, status bar, navigation bar height, and navigation bar landscape. Okay, you need to change the values. Okay, status bar height should be less than 80. Navigation height should be less than 48, and navigation landscape is same as the navigation bar height. So I'm going to use status bar as 70, navigation as 35, and next navigation landscape also 35. So as I'm using status bar 70, so it will take space from the above. Okay, framework. Now again, and next move to the system UI. Here you have to find the status bar.xml. Here's my status bar.xml. You have to open it with Notepad++, and you will find the similar code on your status bar XML2. Okay, this is the code. Now you have to find the two IDs. First is ID notification icon area, and second is ID notification icon area inner. So these are the two IDs. Now you have to create a layout between them. For creating a layout between them, you have to add a space between them first. So after adding a space, now you have to start your code. You have to add a linear layout with Android ID. You can, for now you have to do not fill any ID. I will show you what is the ID you need to fill. Next, after Android ID, you have to create an Android layout height, Android layout width. So I'm going to add Android layout height, and next height should be a fill parent, and width is also should be a fill parent. Next, Android layout width. Okay, width should be also a fill parent, as I said. So after it, now you have to add a gravity. Now add Android gravity. Gravity you can add whatever, wherever you want the background. It should be in left, it should be in right, it should be in left center, it should be a start center, it should be a right center, it should be right left, depend upon you, wherever you want the background. So if you want the background like in the center, now you have to add a start center, but if you want the background on the left, then you need to add a left center. If you want to right, then you add a right center. depend upon you. Next, you add the orientation should be a vertical. If you add a horizontal, then it may give you system UI 4 stop. And the next is the background. I will tell you what do you need to add here. For this, you have to now close the code and save your XML. Make sure you add all the codes. Now press Ctrl+S to save it. After saving it, you have to open your Google Chrome and go to a 9 patch and open the second result. And on next side, you have to download the PNG you want or the background you want to add in your status bar. Like I am going to add the Spider-Man on my status bar, so I have to save it on my desktop. Make sure it should be a transparent background. Next, you have to go to 9 patch and open the second result. You will find the interface. Now you have to add your Spider-Man image in here. After adding the image, now it have a lot of options, like you can change the height, width, position, whatever you want. But on the right side, you will see the preview of the image, so you can adjust the value, adjust the height, adjust the bounds. You can crop the picture, whatever you want. So I am not expert in this, so I'm going to do a quick. It's just for telling you how to add or create images for background in the status bar. So if you are satisfied with your image, then press on the icon the top. Press on the top here, download icon. It will download the zip on your desktop. So now you have to extract the zip. After extracting the zip, come back to your status bar XML, but make sure find your zip. So if you see, this is my zip with these all folders have a different height and different widths. So make it 2 windows for this. Now open the system UI in the second window. Okay, now you have to open the second window. So as you see, I have the similar folders that are showing in the zip on the system UI folder also. Now you have to find which folders are there and which are not there. You have to delete that folders. So here on the zip, I have 5 folders with, like I have HTTPI, XXX HTTPI, XXTPI, and so on. Now I have to find the similar folders on my system UI. So if there is a folder, then you have to replace. If there is not, then delete the folders. Now you can rename the pic whatever you want, so I'm going to rename it SP. Make sure you add the extension .9 in the rename, your SP.9, and all names should be same. Now just copy all the folders and paste in your system UI instead of drag drop. So here, just paste it here. Now open the folder. You will see now your Spider-Man image is here. Check in all the folders. We have added an image in 3 folders. Okay, now you have to open your XML again. So now you can add a background. Background should be add drawable/sp. Do not add a .9 here. That is SP only. You don't need to add a .9, but if you are adding in the pics in PNGs, then you have to add a .9. Now next is you need to Android ID. Android ID you can copy from above line. Just paste it here. That is status bar contents. Just copy paste the things with Android ID/status bar contents, and now just press the save button. So after pressing the save button, now you can easily recompile your framework and the system UI. Now you have to flash both So here we all done the steps. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button, do likes, do share. Thanks for watching, guys.